Namaste, my name is Rahul. Welcome to my channel. So today we'll learn how to practice Kapalabhati. So you can sit in a comfortable cross-legged position, or you can sit in a lotus pose, Padmasana. Back is straight. We'll sit in a Chin Mudra, tip of your index finger touching the tip of your thumb, resting on your knees, shoulders relaxed, back is straight. So I'll do a few pumping and show you how it feels. It's a forceful exhalation and passive inhalation. So I was forcefully exhaling and passively inhaling. Your body stays still and only your belly moves in and out. So we'll take a couple of long deep breaths, and you can do as many pumpings as you can do. You can take a break and you can join me in between. So inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. We'll take one more long deep breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Now inhale and start forcefully exhaling. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. You can slowly open your eyes. So that was 60 pumpings of Kapalabhati. And you can do as many numbers you like, 10, 5, 20, 30, or more than 62. So that's how you practice Kapalabhati. Hope you liked it. And please subscribe to my channel. Namaste.